Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be trying to change a tyre one-handed. Now, it's another YouTuber did it, Brett. Oh, I can't remember his surname. I can't pronounce the last name. Brett something. He's done it. He did a one-handed tyre change. Well, did a one-handed puncture repair. He didn't actually take the tyre off. He just took the tube out and put a new one in. I'm going to try and change a tyre. I'm using, and I've got Heidenau. I'm changing a Heidenau to a Heidenau. Heidenau, very thick outer wall. You know, lose my rag or something. That's what's going to happen. So we'll start off by breaking the rim. Breaking the rim? Yeah, breaking the rim. Breaking the bead, sorry. Good stuff. I can't see the chat, so I'm going to set up another device, I think. I'm going to try and not cheat. It's going to be trying to do it one-handed. So, one-handed tyre change. This is going to be interesting. Already this is going to be interesting. This is impossible. This is going to be impossible. I need to know. If you've seen the Dakars, try not to use the other hand. This is not easy. Right. Let's put a knee there. Oh, yes! Got my coffee in one hand. Now I can't use it, can I? Very important skill to learn is this. Coffee addict tries to I'm gonna give up in a minute. Okay. Put my coffee down. No, I'm going to try hold my coffee. I'm going to try hold my coffee the entire time. Even though the cup's now empty because I've drunk it all. I have to get some more coffee. Okay. Okay, so how am I going to get this off? Maybe not. Maybe not. Aha! Yeah, it's harder to change tyres in the cold weather. The rubber isn't as flexible. It's my first excuse. First of many. Okay. Come on. Look at that. One hand. Woo, it's off. One hand tyre change. Here we go. And I put the tube in is proving a bit difficult. I'm really struggling to get this tube even in. Maybe if we put some air in it just to give it. Okay, gives it a little bit more rigidity, so it should be sliding a bit easier now. There we go. Touching the bare metal like that. Right, just going to get this lined up. No, not quite. Oh, it's going in. Come on. I want to use two hands so badly here just to push that in, but it's not going in. Can I get it on? Just a few teeth is what I need. Okay. Valves in, don't need to worry about that anymore. Right. Okay. Now I'm just going to get this tyre on. You know what? There's my window lean. There's the window lean. Should have done this with an easier tyre rather than a Hydranail. They're stupid, thick, rigid tyre walls. Did you see me change the tyre on the CB250 RS? That thing was like off and on in 15 minutes. That's... Oh man, I don't know how this is going to go. This is pretty difficult. See, having two hands, it's so much easier. Probably going to pinch this tube. Where's my spray gone? Haha. Ha. Come on, man. Can't get this last bit open. Oh, we're in. Okay. Changed it. Moment of truth time. Right. My other hand is now hurting because of the holding the coffee cup so long. Right, I'm just going to quickly do this one. Let's find out. High probability I pinched this tube. You know what, screw it, I'm just going to use 2 hands for this bit. Wow. Guys. So, is it possible to change a tyre one-handed? Yes, yes it is. So you can hold your beer or coffee in my case with one hand as you change the tyre. Is it advised? No. And how long did it take me? One-handed? What was that, half an hour maybe? Not too bad. Not too bad, eh? And unfortunately for me, I did this video live, so thanks to all the people who popped in and watched live as I attempted this. It took me about 30 minutes to do. I might post a link to the actual live stream I did this all in. Anyway, so hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, whatever. Catch you next video. Ciao.